Hi, how is everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I only speak about fragrances, and today I will be showing how I make my own deodorant while I will be chatting my way just to tell you which fragrances I have been using recently. So I have my coffee over here, and let's basically begin with my story with deodorant. So actually I normally am using quite strong deodorants before. I used to use before, but then I actually wanted to find my own way how to find a way how not to use those deodorants with aluminum in it. So I decided to try this homemade deodorant that you can make it by yourself. And actually I was trying it. I have two methods and both of them are very effective. One of them I use it when let's say I have a strong perspiration. The other one is when I feel just kind of normal and I just need normal type of deodorant. For this deodorant, we're gonna need baking soda, the ones that you bake, let's say cookies or bread, and then we're gonna need some coconut, and then we're gonna need some corn flour, and also we will need some ground arrowroot powder. So this one you can find it in Tesco or everywhere, wherever they sell like a baking type of stuff. I don't know if this one, I put it anyway because that was what was in the recipe, but I'm not sure if the effectiveness would be the same if I would not use it. I'm not sure, but I use it because I have it. So let's say I'm not really measuring like exactly, the amounts that kind of, you just simply, if you want to make deodorant by yourself, you can just start mixing something and see what works. So let's say I will take a little bit of, let's say, coconut, just like this, like 2 spoons or something like that, just the coconut oil, and then so it kind of looks that type of amount. And then after I will put a little bit of baking soda, so just tiny bit of baking soda, just kind of not because I think baking soda, okay, now I think like this amount it might be a bit too much, so I'll just put like that, and then I think the rest I will put it back in the bag because it's a little bit too much. Because if you put too much of the baking soda, the situation can be that it might irritate a little bit your underarms, but if your skin is not super sensitive, like, you will be completely fine. So we have baking soda there, and then I'm going to add some of this one because this one's supposed to give a little bit of type of texture for the coconut oil. You don't need to put a lot, so I just put one maybe, but I think I'm gonna put one pack, and then we still have left to put this corn flour, but I will check out the consistency of this of this paste, and then I will decide after. Also, if you choose, you can add some essential oil. So for example, I have tea tree oil, which is antibacterial. So sometimes I used to put 7 drops into this into this amount, but to be honest, I don't want to put it right now too much, so I will just put maybe, okay, I will put like 3 or 4 there. And I used to put before a little bit of lavender just for the smell, but to be honest, I'm not gonna put a lot. I will just put 1, 2, and that's it. That's all what I need. I don't need a lot, but you can put much more, like if you want to, if you want to have like a little bit of effectiveness. And basically, so what's happening right now is that because it's cold season, not super cold, but kind of it start to get a little bit cold these days. So what happened is that because coconut is a bit cold, so it seems like I need to use my hands in order to mix the the texture over there, because otherwise you would mix it with your spoon. But because the texture is like that, So I will just mix it up like that. And while I'm mixing it, I just want to say that the effectiveness of this paste is actually quite good, because that it was even stronger for me than those strong deodorants that you would use, like, let's say, Mitchum. I don't know if you have in your countries this Mitchum, or like Dove, or Dove is just regular one, but all those, like, Lady Speed Stick, for an example, like, it used to not work for me as well that well. So this one seems to be actually something that would work pretty well and would be cost effective as well. And also I would avoid all of those chemicals, that they say might not be that good, especially for women. It's not like researched very well there, but they say for women might not be very good to use those aluminium type of things, but of course, because it's not very well researched, so we cannot claim very well these type of things. But majorly myself, I'm using it for that fact that it works for me, even much better than other. We all know that like, for example, women has, let's say, like a hormones that are changing every single time. So depending on that, you can sweat more or less. So depending on this type of fact, actually myself, now I'm really good with this type of mixture only from baking soda. But before, when I would feel that I need something more, then I would crush chocolate tablet, and then my paste would be black. So that means you only wear black clothes, But that with chocolate would be super duper effective, with chocolate. So this type of paste, actually, like, I'm applying every morning. Every morning before I go to work, and to be honest, is enough for me to apply one time. But if I feel that I need a little bit more, I always keep a little small container, just if I need to top it up. I know it's not very comfortable because you need to take with finger, and so on and so on. But to be honest, because it's quite effective, then it doesn't really matter. The other fact is that some people can be too sensitive for baking soda, so once they try, they say, oh, it actually irritates my skin. And but you just have to try for yourself, like, because if let's say if you are okay with this type of paste, that means it's a great solution, against the bad smell in your armpits. So I would recommend you just to give it a go, to try in the future. I think I already made video about similar type of topic, and like, I think, not sure if I made video for the how to make that black deodorant, but maybe, like, if you like, I will kind of make it. So basically my paste is already ready, so this paste will last for me really long, might last for me like few months, like, without any problem. So basically, so that's it. I showed you how to make deodorant. Now you can let me know if you think that you would be interested to try this type of paste, and tell me what were your results. Actually, I forgot to put cornflake flour over there, but just because I felt it's not needed, because the thickness was pretty good, so I didn't need to put cornflake flour. And what has been going on, like last week, what I have been wearing. So like, I was actually wearing my this Irish fragrance. It's Innis, and even though I was trying many other, I would go into the store and I would try many fragrances, like trying to figure it out if I would find anything super duper like interesting, but I would never find. And I found that this one, to wear like a refreshing fragrance is very, very nice, and just feel kind of refreshed. So I was very happy about this fragrance. Also, I was trying to wear this fragrance, Vibrant Leather for Her. I was trying to wear it at my work, and it's from Zara. This fragrance is from Zara, Vibrant Leather for Her, and I like the smell, but because like you have to wear masks, so I found that I wasn't feeling it super good. So maybe what I need to do, I need to like try maybe to spray during the day 3 times a day or something, and try to see if I notice it, like to do it with masks. So that's what I need to do. So Vibrant Leather for Her. And meanwhile I was trying some other ones just to spray on the piece of paper. For an example, this one is for Man. Fitch, what's that? Aerocombi and Fitch, that fragrance for Man. And I was trying this one. I thought that this brand do amazing fragrance. I thought, like something amazing, but actually when I sprayed first, this one is Instinct is the name of that Aerocombi and Fitch, and I really didn't like the beginning of the fragrance. When you spray just that first moment, I felt it's just too much, and then after I thought that another customer is wearing something wrong, but actually I realized that it's this paper you just can like smell this type of regular Man fragrance, nothing special, really nothing special, but it lasts on the paper. It didn't like disappear, so maybe longevity is like regular. I would say it's lasting, but the smell is a bit not anything special. I would say CK Shock probably is a bit better than that one. And then also I was trying this. Have you ever heard about like Jessica, I always mix up, is it Jessica Simpson or Jessica Parker? I always mix up that name, but basically it's my bottle somewhere. This one, let me have a look. This one is Sarah Jessica Parker is the name. So I tried, this one is lovely, but I tried Sarah Jessica Parker or this Born, what's that? Newly Born, another fragrance is the name. Not fancy, but Born. And I didn't like that one. It smelled like a little bit like old type of lady smell. And another one I tried, Ted Baker, new fragrances. I don't know if they are just newly released, but I never seen them before. And there are, so the name of Ted Baker was Woman. It was white packaging, white box. And also the same line for Man, but it's kind of brown or darker one. So for Man, it's kind of sweeter. It's not too bad, but also poor quality. And the white one also smelled like an old lady. So actually, I'm not impressed by my, those fragrances that I tried. So I'm kind of staying with what I have. I was looking at CK1, just looking because the bottle looked cute, and then I also saw this Ariana Grande, this Thank You Next, that fragrance I saw, but I haven't seen a cloud anywhere to buy, so I couldn't see it. So I believe that's all from my adventures of fragrances, and you guys let me know if you are gonna try my method of deodorant. I'm pretty sure not many people wants to try it because it's so comfortable to use normal deodorants. You just apply it and don't think about it, and it's no hassle in a way. But to be honest, it's no hassle with this type of baking soda deodorant as well. But first you need to try to see if your skin is not reacting, and then you might find out that actually they work even much better, than the regular deodorants. And plus, it's kind of natural, less chemicals you apply on the skin. But of course, we spray fragrances so often that, to be honest, like we already get so many chemicals. So, but still, you can try if you like. I hope you guys will have a great day and the week as well. And I hope the rainy days will not come soon yet. And I will say bye-bye to you.